Guys, it's Trevor with Embers. Today I'm so excited because I'm in the mecca, like the mother lode spot of luxury outdoor kitchen equipment, which you know is my favorite category of everything we sell. I'm down at Kalamazoo, downtown Chicago, and we're getting to play around with some really expensive toys. And now this is probably the most expensive, coolest toy of them all. This is the Gaucho series. This is what I'm gonna review. And we're gonna fire this baby up. Let's go. Don't forget, if you're in the Denver, Colorado area, you come to our showroom, check out all of these cool products. Yeah, you heard me right. We are the newest Kalamazoo dealer. It is the newest brand in our showroom. And it's a big deal. It's a brand I've had my paws after for a long time. The opportunity finally worked itself out. So if you want to see reviews on their hybrid grills, they are straight luxury, straight no joke, straight baller on everything. And this Gaucho is no exception. This is probably, I don't know if it's the most practical, but definitely one of my favorite pieces of equipment that they make. And I'm really excited to fire this baby up, and we're cooking on it today. All right, so let's kind of do a dry run of this grill first. So it comes standard, or not standard, you can order as a cart model or a built-in model. Now, it is built in, and the firebox pretty much goes all the way to the floor. So you can see we have airflow down here with our burn pots to help with oxygen. All of our ash is gonna funnel into this ash pot down here, and it does have a rotisserie that's hidden here that we will talk about as we get through the process. But essentially, even if you're doing it built in, this whole thing is a firebox, so it really goes top to bottom in your outdoor kitchen space. Now, there are big clearances to combustibles. So if you're building it into a space, you gotta make sure you have good space all the way around it, because this is a big old wood firebox with monster fire if we want. So of course that's gonna come with clearances, but you can build non-combustible materials right up to it so it can go nicely into your outdoor kitchen. So we have 2 gas burners, front and back. Now the gas burners are literally going to be just for igniting your fuel. So we can ignite our fuel in under 5 minutes. We can have logs ripping. And then you're gonna wanna make sure you shut those off, and then just truly use this as a wood firebox or charcoal or whatever you're cooking. Most of the time it's gonna be wood. But the idea or concept behind it is that Argentinian, I don't know how to say it, style cooking. Or it kind of goes back to our roots. My original showroom was in Templeton, California, which was an hour north of Santa Maria. So California, Santa Maria style cooking, Southern California style. This type of cooking over an open fire pit with an adjustable cooking surface is very common there. But I promise you, they've never seen anything like this. So obviously this wheel is way over the top, but it sure looks stinking awesome. Probably doesn't need to be this big, but level of craftsmanship is out of control. I think that's really what you're paying for, is this mechanism right here more than anything. And the reason is it does involve a lot of moving parts. Now, first of all, this is really heavy. So we got heavy duty cooking grates. We got our laser cut cooking grates in here, and then they're gonna work on a cable pulley, and then we have a giant Acme screw in here that this rotates on. And it is chain driven in there for the rotisserie as well. So a lot of moving parts. Now, I'll show you this little clip. We sell a guillotine style fireplace where the guillotine glass door folds up into the wall, or slides up into the wall, I should say. Similar system to this. Now, it's the most common part to go out on that. It's the #1 thing we warranty on that fireplace. This, they say they don't warranty, except maybe this little piece of cable, but this mechanism is not gonna fail, and that's really what you're paying for. I mean, check this out. I think what's impresses me the most is the level of precision and ease. I mean, that's 1 finger. I mean, that's heavy. And that's just lifting that thing up. Now, you can obviously go fast, but here's what's cool too, is the level of precision. I mean, it's barely moving it. So we have a lot of control of how high and low we want that. And then it also withstands 6,000 pounds of pressure. So you can put the heaviest pig you want on here, literally, and this thing is not budging. So it can really stand up to the pressure or the weight of a hog, literally a hog, no pun intended. And then we can lower this as high or low as we want. And then of course we have stainless steel grates for our airflow that our fuel is going to sit on. And then if we want, we can take these cooking grates out, and then our spit rod can go right here, and we can literally rotisserie over an open fire. Now, I don't know about you, but it doesn't get any cooler than that. But let's cook on it. So that's the Gaucho. Again, I don't know how practical this thing is, but this is one of the coolest pieces of equipment I've ever reviewed. And I kind of want one, honestly. We'll see you guys next time.